driving force behind Thank You is people. Some people think you need money to start companies and do all this stuff, but it's people that have built this idea. My day of note was when I was sitting in front of my computer watching stories of kids who didn't have access to clean water. At the same time, we spent $50 billion on bottled water globally, and I thought, we've got extreme poverty, extreme consumerism. What if you could combine the two? So after that moment, we had this idea to launch a water range and consumer products that could help end global poverty. I mean, we didn't know even how to do that. We literally Googled how to start a water company. So the first couple of years were really, really hard. After 5 years of the major supermarkets in the country saying no, we launched a little video asking people to show their support online, and this thing went viral, media covered it, and it changed everything. They saw the consumer support, and in industry record time, product was on the shelf. I look at our hand wash, which no one thought would work, and it's now the number 1 and 2 hand wash in the supermarkets, and it shows the power of people and the power of a movement. To date, we've raised over $5.8 million. And it's a cool number, but the number that really drives this is the 785,000 lives impacted. And I think our team, we feel like this is just the beginning, and we know that every number represents a person and a story, and that's what makes it probably even more remarkable.